We've been able to do 11 events. We have 3 more to go, including the final one, and we're only willing to do better and close stronger. Part of our focus is a more customer-centric approach to how we relate with our clientele, and the golf series, other than just, of course, bringing out golf as a sport, is more on interacting with our clientele and bonding and having a good time with them.
The weather was good. It was quite sunny. The weather was friendly, and I believe our members enjoyed their round of golf. NCBA sponsorship means a lot to the club. We have been partners for a long time. We run the busiest count with the NCBA. We are happy that they have recognized our efforts and they have brought their golf series for the coast region to Mombasa Golf Club. So we appreciate and we thank them, and we look forward in doing more partnerships with NCBA.